Okay, no problem. Tell me something. The young lady still coming up here today?
Oh, Crystal? Yeah.
Alright, no problem, Annie. We cover the bar for you so you can go do your rehearsal. Alright?
Thanks, Auntie Jen. Appreciate it. Hello, Miss Jen.
Hey, Crystal. How are you doing, baby girl?
I'm good. Annie's inside?
Yeah, man, she there. You can't come around. She there around the back. You can just walk around and go run to her.
Alright. Annie's alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Let me just tell Auntie Jen to going on.
Alright.
Auntie Jen, I'm going now. Okay? Not a problem, baby.
Crystal.
Crystal?
You ladies, be careful going on.
Alright, Miss Jen.
Make sure you take care of her.
Later.
Wait, Annie's. Give me 1 second. Excuse me, Miss Jen. Savage come up here recently?
No, I know, I'm not see him. Why? Why you ask him? Supposed to come up here?
Nothing, I just ask. Why you seem so distracted?
I moved them just a little bit difficult. That's all.
You know them moves here, we do them enough time. You must say you want to perform with me, you know?
I still want to do it.
You have to focus more. You can't take so long to learn them easy move here.
Alright. I'm ready now. I'm ready.
Stop. Something wrong. Talk to me. Anise, remember I'm trained for knowing something wrong with people, you know?
I feel guilty, Crystal.
About what happened with Yankee?
Yeah, and I never want nobody get hurt and know him dead because of me.
Remember, he's not a saint, you know? He's involved in enough things, Anise.
Yeah, I know that, but I mean make him dead.
You're going to feel guilty if you look a bit, but it will pass.
Sometimes it all come like this, see.
Are your mind unease? That's why you have to find things to focus on.
Well, that's why I'm glad I do the dance class and I have rehearsal for them.
Just keep focus. What going on with your little sister?
Well, she needed $2 million for the surgery.
What exactly she have?
She have lupus.